Hello and welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing something we touched on a bit earlier in one of my videos, but we didn't completely do it at all. So I've got 5 magnesium strips like this size here, say about 1 centimetre, 1.5-ish, and we're basically going to test for pH, which I'll explain on my website a tiny bit in a second. The pH of this water here, when I put the magnesium in, I'm also going to heat it up as well with my kind of like, mini Bunsen burner, as I call it. And we can see how it changes the colour of the universal indicator in this bottle from, if it's going to go red, is it going to go blue, which is alkaline, red is acid, and then green it doesn't change at all really, because green means it's just neutral, which is what water is, and water's in here presently. So, put them in, so, and first, take a little pipette sample, not much, just a tiny bit, and now I quickly move closer. So, now I put the universal indicator in, which looks a bit greenish now. Right, and now it is a dark shade of green, which is basically pH 7. So which is neutral, which I'd expect because it hasn't had enough time to diffuse at all, really. So now we're going to heat it up. So I'm going to get my burner. There we go, you can see it's fogging up already. And slowly, the temperature, yeah, it's increasing, it's now at 21 degrees and should be getting much, I guess, soon. Now, we are going to do it, so every 5 minutes, we are going to check the pH like I did a second ago. So the first one was kind of pH 7, we'll record it in a second, basically. So, I will get back to you in 5 minutes time. Right, so now it has been 5 minutes and it's time to check it again. So I have changed my I've changed opening my pH and testing it because I thought that it would be a bit different results as I use the red dish over there, as it would change the colour basically, if you can't see it properly. So this is more white and it definitely looks more reliable now. So the temperature is now at 54 degrees and I am going to take another pipette reading. Put that there. Right, now I'll put the universal indicator in. There we go. Now this is a bit interesting. It has turned slightly more bluish, like going to that kind of turquoise colour, which you can see there. It's a bit more turquoise and less green now, but of course this has only been 5 minutes, and I am going to do this up to 20 minutes, but don't worry, you're not going to see the entire 20 minutes, that'll be very boring. So I will come back to you in a second. 5 minutes. Right, we're now at the 10-minute mark and we're going to check it again. This is halfway through the experiment now. Go. Careful now because it's boiling water, and I'm going to put the universal indicator in. Hopefully we should see some changes here. Now that is interesting. You can now see that it is pretty bluish colour. Don't worry, I've still got this pudding. It is now bluish colour, which means it is turning more alkaline. However, it's only halfway through, so we should expect quite a lot more change. So I will see you then. And also the temperature is about 84 degrees too. It's been another 5 minutes, so we're almost at the end, and let's take another reading. Indicator in. Oh, that is a much darker blue there. A much darker blue. Look at that. Much darker. More. It's almost coming into purplish. Right, for the final one, I've decided that I will put some indicator into the actual beaker, so it's much more clear. The colour as well. You can see much better too. The temperature is now 90 degrees Celsius. Hello, and this is the final reading. So as you can see here, pretty obvious, but it is blue, and the pH blue means that it is going to be alkaline. I'll probably bring up the scale now, be like about there on the screen, and you compare it and see what it is. It should be, on the pH scale, it's compared to numbers, 0 being very acidic, and 8 being very alkaline, and 7 in the middle. You'd thought it would be 0 in the middle, but it's 7, which is neutral, which is water. I'll also compare the original one there next to it, so you can basically see the comparison. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and bye.